Now we're going to do a final check on the assembly. So first thing is the constraints all look good. Next, view degrees of freedom. Now everything seems to be in place, indicating that patterns were used. Components can rotate, but everything should stay in place. No motion indicated. Next step, interference. A couple of interferences that need to be worked on. The hole in the disc isn't big enough for the part, and it looks like the spacer's a little too long. Let's open the part, check the dimensions. Yep, sure enough, this was supposed to have been a diameter of 1/4 of an inch. Edit it, save it. It looks better. Next one is to work on the length of the spacer. Let's just edit it. Let's edit the feature. And change the distance. Now let's offset it 1/16 of an inch. So it appears to be in the center. Let's look a little deeper into the interferences now that we should have those taken care of. No general interferences. We got 4 that indicate matching threads, so the bolts match up with the nuts. And then there's some non-threaded ones. And if we zoom in a little bit closer, we'll notice that there's a small interference being indicated between the washers and the bolts. For the purposes of this exercise, we're going to say that that's okay. If not, we'd have to get in there and make a different nut or a different washer, or possibly add a fillet to the washer or something to keep that interference out. But I think we're okay. So, done.